Hi guys, welcome to our channel today, and it's nice meeting you today too. If it's your first time, welcome to FeSe family, and if you're yet to subscribe, please do subscribe, and also hit the notification bell right beside it, and so you can always be notified when we upload a video. Subscription is free. I tell you, the amount of data and time you spend while you watch it or subscribe to the channel is same amount of time and data you watch while you subscribe to the channel. So today, let me dive into today's topic. Today, we'll actually be learning how to make this feather. If you like this fascinator, yeah, if you want me to teach you this fascinator, if you want me to upload it on a Sunday, we upload every Friday and Sunday. If you want me to upload this particular fascinator on a Sunday, please let me know at the comment down below so I can actually show you how I made this fascinator. But for this feather, I'm actually going to be teaching you how to make this feather, how you form this long feather. I've made the black one, and I'm going to be teaching you how to make this black feather. Yes, so please, if you feel you've not subscribed, if you know you've not subscribed, please hit the subscription button. And I also want to use this opportunity. I've not had the opportunity to thank you guys for helping us to hit 1,000 subscribers. And I know there will be a time in the future we'll be hitting 700,000 subscribers. Yes, so let's just subscribe to the channel, and I'll really appreciate. I won't stop teaching you how to make hats and how to go about the techniques of hat making. Love you all, and let's get down to business. Okay, here with me is the feather I've actually plucked out, and there are four different types of feathers, but I'll be using the four actually. Then I take the small one. Actually, I had to use my millinery wire here. You can as well use the flora wire. I think the one they use for feathers, and the one with white coating, that is white coated, you can actually use it. I wasn't able to get it, so I had to resort back to what I have in the house. So okay, you take one and tie, then at a point you had to fold the millinery wire across and then retie. So just continue. I wouldn't say much here, just continue to watch, and I hope you understand. And if you have any other question, please let me know at the comment down below, and I'll try as much as possible to answer your questions. So actually that is just it, and keep watching. Okay, at this point is either you take the flat feather and just attach like that, but I'll be using a zigzag scissors to actually give it a kind of fine style, a zigzag style, and that will be what I would continue to do with the whole feather, except for the fluffy one. So that is just it. If you want it to be straight without having a zigzag thing, you can just straight away attach it as you make your flower stem, or I mean feather stem. Okay, for the sake of the tutorial, I didn't want to just start adding the fluffy, but the main flower, I actually later added the fluffy ones, but I just wanted to see how it works before you just mixing up different feathers. So at this point, you can actually add your fluffy ones, then continue with the flatter ones. You understand? Just keep doing it step by step, and you will see it will result back to the one I actually used in the intro. It's the same feather, but I had to do some fill-ups. So that's just it. Okay, so at this point we're actually done with the feather stem, but if you'd want to have some fill ups, you can actually use the fluffy ones and fill it up, or any other type of feather and fill up. You can do color or to understand, mix up colors to make it look fashionable. And please don't mind my child scent, it's one of those things. So that is just it. And when you are done folding your millinery wire and tie up, and that brings it to the end of the and that brings you to the end of the flower making, feather making. I keep saying flower, feather making. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this session, and I hope you put it to a good use. So please do not forget to subscribe, like and share our channel, and we really appreciate